Annually, GreyStone employees serve under the initiative known as GreyStone Gives, where each employee volunteers up to 8 hours. We teamed up with CAYA in the summer to prepare sack lunches for children who normally would receive a free or reduced price lunch during the school year.
Hi, my name is Journey, and the experience here volunteering at the church was very powerful. It made me feel like I could help in as much of a way as I possibly can. Helping children with lunches in general really makes me feel like that I am making a change in my community, no matter how big or how small.
Hi, I'm Danny. I'm here at a GreyStone Gives event with the CAYA Ministries. I was approached about a program we could do, and I decided this would be an awesome event to help the community. It's a program where CAYA feeds summer kids lunch programs all during the summer, and GreyStone partnered with them one day a year to come in and pack lunches and help get this ministry going. And I really appreciate being part of it, and I appreciate GreyStone and what they did and allowing us to be a part of it.
Hi, my name is Brittany, and this is my first time helping with the GreyStone Gives event. I'm very thankful for a ministry like this that provides an opportunity to feel good about giving back to the community.